Hi, my name is Rohit Raghavendra and conventionally I'm used to doing this on Instagram. 3 साल से मैं Instagram में करते आ रहा हूँ. Firstly, I would like to thank you all for like watching whatever I make. And if you're watching this right now, thank you for that as well. This is my 5th attempt and मुझे पता नहीं कि इस बार मैं finally consistent होने वाला हूँ कि नहीं. And I really hope कि मैं हो जाऊँ because I have so many things in my mind that I want to do पर मैं out of laziness या पता नहीं मैं कर नहीं पाता हूँ. This year I want to do something new. I want to do something fun. Content तो करते रहूँगा. That is going to come the same way it has come in. There is going to be no change in that. But इस साल मैं अपने आप को एक लेवल आगे पुश करने वाला हूँ. That is my goal. And towards the end of this video आपको पता चलेगा कि मैं क्या प्लान कर रहा हूँ. Yeah, let's start with actually getting to know me. So I will try to answer as many questions as possible because time limit नहीं है, freedom है. तो चलो, let's get started. Repetitive जो questions हैं, काफी सारे same आया है. Gym के बारे में आया है, fitness के बारे में आया है, content के बारे में. I will try to answer all of that in one only. सबका question एक साथ solve हो जाए. Okay, to start off with basic information. My name is Rohit Raghavendra. I am 6 feet tall. मैं 26 years का हूँ. Contact number के अलावा I can give other what are the details you guys want. I was born in Chennai. मैं South Indian हूँ, but I was brought up completely in Pune. Pune is where my content creation journey also started. मैंने अपने undergrad Amity से किया, Amity Mumbai. मैंने अपना मास्टर्स यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ वेस्टमिनिस्टर से किया है लंदन में. बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन हो गया. So now let's dive into the actual questions. Okay, I'm starting off my Instagram content creation journey. How were your initial days like? My initial days were, if I say it really frankly, मैं jobless था. In 2021, I wasn't doing anything. I had quit my job in 2020 to pursue acting. लेकिन कोविड हो गया था तो मुझे पुणे आना पड़ा वापस. Stay with my family. I was living in Bombay तब तक 4 साल. तो छोड़ के आ गया and then 1 साल मैं literally कुछ नहीं किया. फिर one of my friends like she said that I do good mimicries तो मुझे कुछ करना चाहिए. Because reel pick up हो रहा था. I used to make like really dumbass like reels. I never did it with the मुझे content creator क्या होता है करके मुझे नहीं पता था. I did it from a mimicry perspective. ऐसा reel बना. Content creator वाला tag ही नहीं दिया था मैंने खुद. And yeah, things picked up. That's what here I am. Your most favorite Green Day song or album apart from American Idiot? I've been listening to Green Day since 14-15 years now and my favorite album American Idiot था. उसके अलावा तो 21st Century Breakdown and Uno Dos Tres. Uno Dos Tres is like a trilogy which is very very underrated I feel. 21st Century Breakdown तो classic है. I like that better than Dookie and like Nimrod and all of that. What is the exact haircut you get? Modern mullet? Love the style. Thank you. Yeah, it is modern mullet. I like to change my hairstyle every year. This year it's gonna be modern mullet. भाई boards और gym कैसे manage करूँ? यार मैं तो बोर्ड्स के टाइम जिम करता भी नहीं था. घर वाले में नहीं मानते थे. सो आई जस्ट फोकस्ड ऑन बोर्ड्स टू बी ऑनेस्ट एंड आई थिंक यू शुड डू दैट बिकॉज जिम में इनकंसिस्टेंट रह के मजा नहीं आएगा. रिजल्ट भी नहीं दिख रहा है तो यू जस्ट डूइंग फॉर द फक ऑफ इट. या आई नो सम एक्सरसाइज इंपॉर्टेंट घर पे कर लो बिकॉज फॉर एग्जाम्पल नाउ आई वेंट टू स्पेन लाइक आई थॉट मैं वहां पे भी वर्कआउट करूंगा कैसे तैसे तो भी. बट देन आई रियलाइज्ड यार नहीं ये हाफ वर्कआउट इज नॉट गुड. एक हफ्ता लाइक एब्सोल्युटली छोड़ दो. लाइक आई एम जस्ट गोना हैव फन एंड दैट वे लाइक when I came back and I started, I felt so good. Like I couldn't wait to come back and start. तो फिर एक महीना जब तक बोर्ड्स करना छोड़ दो and then तो तुम पूरा ध्यान दे पाओ and तब you'll feel good. CSK, RCB, Mumbai Indians, which team you support? Always been a CSK fan. Always. Biggest fear? I have entomophobia, which is basically fear of insects. I have fear of open water and like ocean. Thalassophobia बोलते हैं, right? I think when you can't see the depth. तो फिर मुझे वो सब है, like really. And I don't know how I did scuba diving in Spain. Like it was genuinely a life-changing moment for me. I'm not saying this because I'm a Hrithik fan, but सच में like मेरे लिए like वो बहुत एक life-changing moment था. Because I haven't gone in swimming pools more than like 5 feet. So सीधा जब जमीन नहीं है, it was really stressed. What's my zodiac sign? I'm a Taurian. मेरा birthday आ रहा है 29th April and I'm turning 27. How does your dad react to video? पहली बात तो like I had blocked my parents because I was too shy to show them content. I'm a very shy guy in real life. Eventually like जब relatives and like बाकी लोग दिखाने लगे उनके society में and all. My mom was a maths teacher तो students भी दिखाने लगे. So then I'm like अब तो देख ही रहे तो क्या ही है. So then I unblocked them and now they see my reels. They don't care. To be honest, उनको context समझ में नहीं आता. How do you come up with ideas for content? I observe things. I'm a very good observer. मतलब मैं जिम कर रहा हूँ कुछ आया मैं फट से लिख लेता हूँ. I keep a note, like I have a notepad on my phone, right? So इसमें बस one liner idea लिख लेता हूँ. Like players in dugout cricket after getting out. ऐसा मैं एक लाइन में लिख के रख दूँगा. फिर मैं I'll build on it. And observation, yeah, obviously. How do you look so hot by? I don't know, man. I don't know how I look so hot. ये राज भी मेरे साथ ही जाने वाला है. But thank you. शादी कब कर रहे हो? I don't know. Again, I don't know. I'm not going to put a number to it. Hopefully in the next 4 years max. What is your hidden talent? ये ना, I know the entire John Cena का जो theme song है ना, I know the entire lyrics. Like I know the entire rap. अब मैं play नहीं कर सकता हूँ. ये मैं story में डालूंगा अलग से. And I'm a magician. I don't know if you guys know this, but like not a magician, but like that's a very strong term. But like I was too much into magic tricks and all, so I'm very good with cards and like tricks and all of that. So yeah. Apart from reels, what do you do for a living? Brother, I do reels. I make reels for a living. So I don't know if you're disappointed by that or what, but yeah, I make reels for a living. I can't believe it either. Anna, your gym tips and how you've achieved so much in a short period of time. Gym tips, like firstly, know how much you should lift and know how much you can lift. They're two different things. Don't overtrain. Ego lift mat karo. ठीक है, I learned that. I know कि you feel like अरे तो हल्का ही लग रहा है, but then like the posture and the stretch, like how slow you leave it, a supination and all these momentum really make a difference, and you should do that. अपने आप फिर तुम्हारा strength भी बढ़ेगा, genuinely बढ़ेगा. And how much it's not, I didn't achieve this in a short period of time, यार. It took me 7 years I've been working out. 2017, 18, 4, 25, 8 years. 8 years I've been working out. So it's not a short period of time. Toughest challenge you had to overcome as a creator. For me, the biggest challenge was just my whole experience in London मास्टर्स यार. बिकॉज फॉर मी ऑनेस्टली मैं सोचा वहाँ जाऊंगा और कंटेंट क्रिएशन नहीं चलेगा और मैं छोड़ने वाला था. मेंटली आई हैड प्रिपेयर्ड माई सेल्फ. आई वाज लाइक काइंड ऑफ हार्ट ब्रोकन बट लाइक आई हैड प्रिपेयर्ड माई सेल्फ. आई सॉ दैट कंटेंट वाज डूइंग वेल सो आई कुडंट क्विट दैट. पैरेलली आई वाज डूइंग अ पार्ट टाइम जॉब विद लाइक अ 20 आवर शिफ्ट एवरी वीक. तो मतलब वो बैलेंस, असाइनमेंट बैलेंस, वर्कआउट बैलेंस, या जस्ट असाइनमेंट इन सेंस नॉट फॉर द फक ऑफ इट आल्सो, लाइक जस्ट एक्चुअली गेटिंग गुड मार्क्स. लाइक आई वांटेड टू डू दैट. कुकिंग फूड, all this, right? I was balancing like 7 things on a daily basis. This was the biggest challenge I had to overcome in life. Uske alawa, like I don't think I have faced like a very big challenge यार. Genuinely that 1.5 year phase was the toughest phase of my life. And वहाँ पे मैंने survive कर लिया. I think I can do anything now. I needed that. How to get your beard? So I rub Dettol every day here. Then you can take olive oil, just massage it every day. You can get a beard like me. Who fixed your teeth? Great content and amazing jawline. Shout out to Dr. Gaurav Gupta. He's the one who fixed my teeth. Braces तो लगे ही थे 3 साल. But उसके अलावा I had to get my jaw head. Because एक बार मैंने बचपन में बाथरूम में गिर के I broke all my, not all, but like most of my teeth. This was like in 2nd standard. To get my jaw head, there were like springs in my mouth called Forces springs. I was like a robot. I'm glad I went through that tab. So I can look like this now. Springs and like whatnot for my jawline. How do you like Mumbai? A very tricky question. This could get me in trouble. I think I can like Mumbai only for a selected period of time. Only 2 kind of people like Mumbai. जो अमीर होते हैं और जो वहाँ पे पैदा हुए थे. तो I am neither. I kind of hated Mumbai when I was like doing my job over there. 4 साल कर रहा था. I feel like now I can like adapt because like I know people. So yeah, it's fine. Just the pace is too much यार. Who's your inspiration, Sui? 3. Sorry, 4 actually. Hrithik Roshan, Stephen Curry, Virat Kohli and Cristiano Ronaldo. If you want a dramatic answer, then my dad. आपकी 3 wishes. यार ऐसा मेकिंग मी थिंक मैन. मैं चाहूँ कि मुझे लाइफ इंस्पायर करते रहे, नए लोग मिले और मैं चाहता हूँ तुम लोग मेरे लिए ड्रिंक लाओ. हाउ इज लाइफ रियली? लाइफ हैज बीन प्रीटी ओवरवेलमिंग यार, स्पेशली लाइक इफ यू टॉक अबाउट मार्च. Very overwhelming. Zindagi Na Milekh Dobara is my favorite movie. So I wanted to become a stockbroker when I saw the movie for the first time because Hrithik was a stockbroker. So like I wanted to live that movie by becoming who he is, and then ironically like I actually like did the movie. Like I had a ZNMD experience right now. So it's like very surreal. Yeah, I saw Green Day. So yeah, it was this month. I'm still processing it. How do you deal with the question आगे क्या करना है in your life? There is no right answer to this question यार. Because life is very unpredictable. If you ask me this question when I was 16 years old, मेरे को इंजीनियर बनना था. फिर मैंने IIT एग्जाम दिया, सारा मेंस दिया मैंने, सारे MIT, मणिपाल का दिया, SRM दिया, VIT दिया, cleared. Then I said no. मुझे नहीं करना. आई फील लाइक इसका आंसर हर साल चेंज होने वाला है. सो यू से व्हाट यू फीलिंग एट दैट टाइम. क्या करना है तो मैं अगले साल क्या कर, लाइक फॉर मी लाइक आई नो ओके लाइक आई वांट टू पुट आउट द बेस्ट कंटेंट पॉसिबल लाइक दैट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल राइट, जस्ट कीप शॉर्ट टर्म गोल्स एंड लाइक थिंक वहां तक क्या करना. 4-5 साल तो मुझे भी नहीं पता आगे क्या करना है. रोनाल्डो और मेसी, आंखें बंद करके रोनाल्डो. आई एम रियली इंटरेस्टेड टू नो योर म्यूजिक रिकमेंडेशंस. यार आई लिसन टू ऑल काइंड ऑफ म्यूजिक एक्सेप्ट techno. From Arctic Monkeys to like KK to like Green Day to like metal भी सुनता हूँ मैं. I'm very much into Bollywood music to be honest. इसका सब खिचड़ी है my recommendation. So I playlist share कर सकता हूँ. I can do that. Does your voice always sound like this or you made it using these modern techniques? You think this is modern technique? This is how I sound, buddy. Like what I do on reels is like different. This is how I actually sound. You're a great creator, my guy. How do you keep up with relatable memes? आई थिंक माई स्क्रीन टाइम इज वे टू हाई एंड मैंने अपने एल्गो को ऐसा ट्रेन किया ना, आई लाइक एब्सोल्यूट ब्रेन रॉट शिट बिकॉज आई लाइक ब्रेन रॉट शिट। रेकमेंड भी वैसे ही करता है, तो मेरी सोच ही वैसे हो रही है। इंस्टाग्राम भी मेरी तरह ही सोच रहा है। माई फ्रेंड्स आर ऑल्सो सेंडिंग मी दैट काइंड ऑफ कंटेंट। दैट्स हाउ आई एम कीपिंग अप विद रिलेटेबल मीम्स। आई हैव ट्रेन्ड माई इंस्टाग्राम एंड आई यूज्ड टू मेक मीम्स पहले। आई वाज गुड एट दैट। How do you make a physique like you and how much time will it take? Yeah, time is very subjective to be honest. You can do what I did like in a year also. But like yeah, मेरा up and down तो हुआ ही है. Like I've had my peak physique then dip. Then again I got my peak then I dip. Then peak. So it's like that. From scratch, well I don't know if you're like thin or fat. Either way is give and take. You can take like 6 months. 6 to 7 months you should get my physique. It's just if you eat and train. How do you know Tamil? Because I was born in Chennai and my mother tongue is Tamil. सुंदर और funny दोनों कैसे हो गए? हो यार, क्या कर सकता है यार? How to overcome a girl that you've never dated? I'm in a big crisis here. Can you help me out? See, if you've never dated her, it means like she never gave you importance, right? So like I understand that you like her, but like clearly if you've never been able to date, it means that she's not interested in you. And it's time to accept that fact. एक बार तुम accept कर लोगे कि यार why is my behavior depending on how she feels about me? So I know it's easier said than done, but brother, distract yourself, focus on yourself, be selfish. I don't know if I'm giving the right advice or not, I'm just saying what I'm feeling. Prioritize yourself. Why do you love Hrithik Roshan so much? Because when I moved to Pune in 2003, the first movie I saw without even knowing Hindi was Kaho Na Pyar Hai, and that guy was too good looking for a hero. मैंने body नहीं देखी थी, मैंने किसी ऐसा इतना fucking ripped body I never saw in a movie, and I was like यार this is unreal. How can a guy good look this good, have physique also and act and also? मेरे को बहुत cool लगा था, and तब से I've been liking, I love Hrithik. That guy hasn't disappointed me. He just gets better and better. He has always gotten better. Somewhere I believe मेरा content creation journey it started, you know, कि मैं एक दिन मिल पाऊँ उससे. If you had the chance to be protagonist of a movie, which one would you choose and why? I would love to do some action movie or like I really like playing a negative character. So any movie where I can get to play a negative character, anti-hero sort of thing like Badlapur, वैसा psycho role and all I would love to do. खो गए हम कहाँ में like I would have genuinely loved to do either of the roles here. Adarsh Gaurav या Siddhant Chaturvedi like either like that's I could have pulled it off. थोड़ा ऊंचा सोचूं तो then Rockstar. But no, I don't think I could have done Rockstar better than Ranbir did. And Hrithik, no, and I wouldn't replace ZNMT में Hrithik's role. So no. Do you think you can become a comedian with the content you have on Reels? यार being a comedian is थोड़ा अलग है. I think they have a natural sense of humor, which I don't think I have. And I feel नहीं हो पाता. Like comedians, it's hard for comedians to become creators, and it's hard for creators to become comedian. I have tried open mic, but then ठीक ठाक ही हुआ है. मैं पागल जैसा follow करता हूँ stand up comedy. I always used to EIC, AIB, Andrew Schulz, Russell Peters, like पागलों जैसे दिखता हूँ. Yeah, like I don't think I can be a good stand up comedy. I can try, but I don't think I can be a good one. ZNMD का trip तो free में कर लिया था, लेकिन खुद का ड्रीम डेस्टिनेशन कौन सा है? Greece and Iceland. Always. Do you always stay happy? No. Who stays always happy? I make content. जो लोग बाकी लोगों को हंसाते हैं वही दुखी होते हैं लाइफ में. I'm kidding, I'm not दुखी. But I can't stay always happy यार. I've had my ups and downs. What makes you think by the way I'm always happy? How your parents allow you to be a full-time content creator? I didn't give them an option. When I came back from London यार, I told them that I want to pursue content creation, that's why I'm coming back. तो फिर उन्होंने बोला यार ये क्या है, मतलब तुम मास्टर्स करके उतना पैसा भर रहा है तो जॉब भी ढूंढ लो. So I was like हाँ मैं ढूंढ लूँगा. Parallelly I think I was lying to myself. मैं खुद को भी झूठ बोल के मैं LinkedIn में पता नहीं क्या कर रहा था while I was making content last year कि मैं सोचा मैं जॉब भी कर लूँगा, कंटेंट बना लूँगा. Then I'm like यार इज्जत से I want to give this 100% and I started giving it. घर वाले तो बोलते रहेंगे but I need to firstly move out. तो फिर घर से मैंने शिफ्ट करके I rented my own apartment. तुम उनके सामने रहते हो तो पूछते रहते हैं, तुम उनके सामने नहीं रहते हो फिर वो क्या पूछेंगे, क्या उनको क्या पता तुम क्या कर रहे हो. I think just moving out gave me freedom. And now they have accepted कि हाँ content अच्छा कर रहा है. Is that scar on your left eyebrow real? No, so I had gone to a zoo in Pune like around 2017 में. Like in idiot I was standing next to a tiger cage. Then फिर वो claw मार दिया था and it's like a permanent scar now. What's your favorite UFC fighter? I mean, who's my favorite UFC fighter? Somewhere soft corner for Conor McGregor because like I started watching UFC because of that guy. तो फिर मतलब वो तो है ही, but उसके अलावा I think it'll be like to be specific Justin Gaethje and then Charles Oliveira and then Alex Pereira. How did you find out that you're funny? I am not funny in real life. I'm telling you. I observe things that are presented in a funny way. Years and years of me consuming comedy and just being a good observer has helped me just put out things in a funny way. That's it. मैं ऐसे पागलों से सबको नहीं हंसाता हूँ मैं. I'm not funny in real life. भाई तन्मय भाई के रिव्यू गैंग में एंट्री व्हेन, वो तो तन्मय भट्ट को पता हुआ यार. तन्मय ब्रदर व्हेन बाय द वे 7 लोग पूछ चुके हैं अभी तक. तन्मय आर यू वाचिंग? How do you manage your family time and social life? I'll be very honest, मैं अपने family के साथ बहुत hang out नहीं करता हूँ. I meet them every day but chill with them. That's थोड़ा बहुत, like that's it. या कभी कभी एक दो दिन मिलता भी नहीं हूँ. I don't have very good social life. I don't go out all the time. I prefer staying, doing my work, because like creativity comes when you're just by yourself. Like I can't think around a bunch of people all the time, right? थोड़ा sacrifice करना पड़ता है. I'm not saying I'm anti-social. I just limit myself. Like पहले बहुत बाहर जाता था, but like अब मैं नहीं. For me, my priority is work. Social life, I take it as a break. I don't do it as a necessity. Any plans for coming back to UK? I do have plans actually. What do you do when you feel low, and how do you come up with such creative content? I think I've answered the whole creative content part here, observe and like all of that. But what do you do when you feel low? I think I don't let myself be low for long enough, and I've gotten shit for this from my friends as well. I don't let myself stay low. I don't let myself process it. फट से like यार लो कर रहा हूँ, चलो मतलब जिम चले जाओ या फिर वॉच अ मूवी और लाइक जस्ट मेक कॉन्टेंट, फकिंग फॉरगेट इट, व्यूज आ गया भूल गया मैं. सो आई थिंक आई हैव ऑलवेज चैनलाइज्ड इट एंड दिस डिस्ट्रैक्टेड माई सेल्फ. आई डोंट नो इफ दैट्स अ वेरी हेल्दी थिंग और नॉट, बट इट्स वर्कड फॉर मी टिल नाउ कि लाइक मैं भूल जाता हूँ, फिर मैं लो नहीं होता हूँ. आई थिंक कि व्हाट कैन आई डू राइट नाउ टू गेट आउट ऑफ इट. सो इट्स लाइक हाउ डू यू सॉल्व इट राइट नाउ. थिंक ऑफ टेम्पररी फिक्सेस. It will help you. What would you say is the toughest pill I had to swallow in life? Two things I think. The whole struggle करके audition देते रहो, मतलब सब छोड़ छाड़ के audition देते रहो, live a struggle life to become an actor. I think when I realized that I'm not meant for that, मैं नहीं कर सकता हूँ ये, and I had to accept that. That was one of the tough things कि मैं नहीं बना उसके लिए. I'm talking about the struggle part की मतलब सब छोड़ छाड़ के how people live in Bombay. You know, like just to focus on acting and like going for workshops and like giving auditions every day. मैं नहीं कर सकता हूँ. If I get a good audition, like I still give, मैं करता हूँ. But then like मैं सब छोड़ छाड़ के नहीं कर सकता हूँ. Like just to focus on that, मैं वो नहीं कर सकता हूँ. तो वो एक्सेप्ट करना थोड़ा टफ था. दूसरी बात ये है कि when I was in London, I had thought कि मैं वहीं पे सेटल करूँगा. I'd get a job or something. It wasn't a hard pill to swallow, but it was a hard decision to make. कि like okay, I've taken a student loan, I've gone here, done my masters in marketing, MSc marketing communications for a year and a half. My friends are applying for a job. मैं यहाँ पे content बना रहा हूँ, and मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि ये सब छोड़ के मैं इंडिया जाके content बनाऊँ. So I was like यार, is it going to be really worth it and all. तो फिर this whole thought process, and when I had accepted कि नहीं, I need to give content a chance. It was one of the tough decisions I had to make. So I think yeah, that's it. I feel naked now. इतना सब बता दिया मेरे बारे में. But I really hope कि this video has given you a better insight into my life, who I am, how I think, how I am off Instagram. And one announcement that I was talking about is I think नहीं, I will be starting vlogs. मेरा हमेशा से सपना था vlogs बनाना. बचपन से I've always been watching vlogs like creators like Logan Paul, Jake Paul. ये सब I've watched them and it was my dream कि मैं just to like start vlogging. But my life I don't think was entertaining enough. I don't think it's still entertaining enough. But I feel like somewhere I can make it entertaining enough. Consistency is the question mark. कैसे भी अगर मैंने 20 vlog बना लिया ना बस, तो my aim is to make first 20 vlogs. I'm not going to be like weekly आएगा कब आएगा, but regularly आएगा. इतना मैं बोल सकता हूँ. सबसे पहले तो ये वीडियो आएगा, which you're probably watching right now, and the next video will be my vlog. So you guys have a better insight into my life. Won't be very long. It'll be very fast paced and it'll be very fun. I'll promise you that. See you.